Yo, what is going on? This is Andrew, known as Zero Draw Drew from Pip Catchers Administration. How is everybody doing today? It is Sunday, July 11th, 2021. Welcome back to another weekly analysis. If you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button and hit that like button so it motivates us to continue doing these weekly analysis. If you're new to the channel, like I said, just sit back till the end and we're going to mark up everything and go over everything. So just stay tuned till then. Let's go. Oh yeah, my apologies if these videos are boring and lengthy. I would try to entertain you guys, but this is more of an informational video. So if you want to be entertained, go watch Snout Boys or something. It's not what I do. Like I said, when I do these markups, I just mark up what I see and then I come back, put my finishing touches, and really put the picture together. So it's the first thing I see.
Loch Ness Monster. Never seen her. Work silos? They're everywhere. When you use Asana, teams can coordinate work in one place. Visit asana.com to try for free.
See, like, this is a significant trend line, but since it's going to be a while before we react to that level again, I'm going to delete it for now because it makes the chart look unprofessional. But as price does start to come down, I'll find that trend line again. And yeah. That one too, we're looking at this right here. That's a key. Course is coming out soon, guys. I'm working on it every day, so if you're waiting for it, keep waiting. It'll be available probably within the next week or so, maybe two. I said the 19th, so I want to try and get it done by then. Gotta pump up this elevator music real quick because I don't know. I think we're finally gonna get that move. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think we're finally going to get that move. Yeah, baby. Ooh. And just getting pumped, baby. Oh, yeah. We're gonna have a good week this week. Like I said, just wait till the end, then we're gonna explain everything. Beginning is just to show you guys how I mark up these charts. It is Sunday morning at 8:40 in the morning. So I apologize if I don't entertain you guys. Oh, by the way, I don't like haters, so if you're gonna hate, I'm gonna call you out on bullshit all the time. I just don't like it. So I give you guys information. People wanna try to get me to stop for some reason, but it ain't gonna happen. Let's go, cause I'm just getting started. Go back in the other videos. You just look at the value that I'm giving. Why you gotta hate? Why you gotta hate? Like I'm giving you guys free moves. It's like you guys want me to stop. I don't know why. Drop a thumbs up. Drop a thumbs up if you love this. Not saying everybody hates, but there's always that one guy. See, I said in the last video that I wanted one more dip. It dipped through and then came back in, and then we started making our way up. Like, I caught so many moves, but I don't catch half of them. Only catch GBP New York session. So if it ain't happening in New York session, I'm missing it. Which blows, but
A different future starts with you. That's why GoDaddy does more than help you find a name. You can create, sell, and get found online so any small business can make a change. We need a new generation of thinking, your way of thinking. Start different at GoDaddy.com.
GoDaddy.com. GoDaddy. this crown right here. How do we short that crown? How do we do it? Alright, we wait for the trap. How do we get that trap? We wait for something like this, a break above and then come back in, or if we drop in, come back in. I think gold's gonna consolidate until we probably reach this end of the trend line. I think we're gonna consolidate for a bit. I don't know, but for some reason I think that, and this is just a guess, so don't hold me to this, but I think that this week we're gonna get another stock market crash. To be honest with you, I really think that we're going to get another crash. I think this week. Alright, so I marked up all four. That was pretty quick. I did this in 17 minutes. Let me explain. Let me think a bit, and then I'm going to explain. So. Okay. See, that looks pretty good. This U on gold, which is that resistance level. Alright, let me write my thoughts and then I'm going to explain, because it's better like that. Gold. So alright, let me write them all out and then I'll explain them all at the end. That way I can make these videos a little bit easier for you guys to understand and not all over the place. So yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna explain it all at the end. So just stick around for a couple more minutes and we'll be able to explain it all. My landscapers are loud as hell anyway, so I don't know if you guys can hear, but it's fucking annoying me. 8:55 on a Sunday. Alright. Just kidding. It's not my landscaper. It's my neighbor. I was like, what the fuck? Why are they here right now? Alright. Shit. Alright, I just got distracted for a minute. Okay. JPY. See, this rally on the pound pairs looks a little concerning to me. I don't know what's gonna happen with this, so we need to wait for GBP JPY. GBP JPY had a weird rally. Wow, I'm getting mad at this right now, my neighbor. Holy shit. I wake up early to do this so that people don't do this crap. GBP JPY had a weird rally on Friday. I want to wait for Monday reaction. See if this pump was a dump. Okay, what else can I put about this? We are watching. Alright, so watching that too. So with GBP JPY, if we drop and find support over here, we gotta wait for price action to form with GBP JPY. If we find support somewhere over here, we're gonna find like a inverted crown. Price could even drop down to this level, even lower. So we're waiting for Monday reaction. I think that if we're looking for a short opportunity, I want to see a bull trap above this level back into this range, because this is a key support level. So yeah, but we're gonna explain more after. GBP USD, same thing. I think we're finally gonna
ProFlowers knows special occasions are just that, special. And they have just the gifts you need to make them unforgettable. So head over to ProFlowers.com and save 15% when you enter code SUMMER at checkout. That's SUMMER at checkout. See ProFlowers.com for details.
Okay. Alright, yeah guys, just go check out ProFlowers. Just kidding. I'm not sponsored by nobody, so don't check out shit. You know, you gotta check out my Instagram channel. Yeah, go learn some shit. Okay. Alright, so this too. GBP USD had that similar rally to GBP JPY. So yeah, and it kind of comes together with Euro USD as well. So I think that price is going to move to that 4,000 resistance overall, because that's what I was looking for last week, but it wasn't happening. All week I was trying to get that rally up, but we got this one rally, but it didn't hit that 4,000 resistance. I do want to see something like this. It comes above this trend line because this is a key level, and then I want to see price pop back in, and then that will be our short opportunity all the way down. I think that we're gonna drop to this low after buyers liquidity is caught. So once that's caught above there, I think we're dropping down to this low, because that's the next level on the weekly chart. As you can see right here, there's like a crown pattern on the weekly chart. I just think we need to catch buyers liquidity before that happens. So all buyers liquidity is up here. GBP USD, GBP USD. Okay, now let me explain. I'm gonna lower this a bit for you guys. Okay, so I'll start with GBP USD because this is the first one. So GBP USD, last week I really wanted this thing to push all the way up to 4,000 highs, but it failed to do that. But on Friday, you know, we got that move up. So I think that this move may continue up to that level that I have listed, you know, which is that 4,000 resistance level. That doesn't mean buy it right away. I want to wait for price action to set up at one of these key levels for that buy opportunity to set up. But if overall this thing just pushes up to the highs, we're looking for that bull trap above here. You know, we need to wait for a sell opportunity to set up once we come up to this zone. You know, so we're just waiting for that. So we're waiting for price action to form on a smaller time frame for that buy opportunity up to this level. You know, and then once we come up to that level, we'll be able to react and see what happens after that. Because overall, I do think that price is going to drop to this low and even lower, because price liquidity on the sellers was not fully caught at these lows. So I think first we need to get those buyers liquidity, then we're going to come down and take those lows out. It's GBP USD, GBP JPY, similar than GBP USD. This rally is very strange to me. Usually when I see something like this, it can be a pump and dump. So on Monday, I do want to see how price reacts in the beginning of the market. You know, if price looks to dip down and form price action, you know, to make another wave up, we'll look for buy opportunities. Now, if price just continues to shoot higher and we trap bulls above this level and then drop back into this zone right here, we're going to look for short opportunities down once price action forms. Right now, we just need to wait for price to form, you know, see if it drops first or if it rallies first. So if it drops first, we're going to wait for price action to form like an inverted crown, a bear trap to this zone. You know, if price rallies first, we're going to wait for like a bull trap and then a bear opportunity to form from this zone. GBP JPY, Euro USD. Similar from GBP USD, we came back into that crown neck, not the crown neck, the U neck or whatever. We found support at this 1.18455 zone. Usually when I see something like this, we are going to come up to that U on the daily, which is at that 1.19760 zone, which I've wanted to look for that buy opportunity these last couple weeks, but it just hasn't set up. But now it is all set up. So basically, I'm looking for a bear trap to one of these zones, ideally this 1.18460 zone, but price can even drop down to this 1.18055 zone, because that is reading an inverted crown overall, so we want to see how price reacts to this 1.18450 zone first. I don't think we're going to drop into there, so I think we're going to find support around here first. So look for, you know, a drop in and then a come back in. You could even find it on the 15-minute chart, which is probably going to set up like right here. You know, they'll try and trigger sellers somewhere over here, and then it'll come back in, and then whatever. But you got to wait for price action to set up first before that opportunity is valid. That's Euro USD. So now we're on the last one, which is gold. So if you could see from the last week's analysis, I said that we were going to drop below that crown neck and then rally from there, and that's exactly what happened. Now on the daily chart, we're coming up to this resistance level, which is right here on the hourly, which is 1808 key level. I think that price is overall going to push up to that U resistance at that 1825 first, you know, but we don't have any bias, so I want to see if we get a bear trap to this crown. We have a crown pattern right here, so if price like drops in and then comes back in, like traps bears, we're going to look for that buy opportunity to that 1825. Now if price rallies first and then comes back in value, we're going to look for that short opportunity down to the crown neck. So we're just going to wait for price action to form and let that trade set up. So whatever happens, happens. So that's gold. And that's all of it. Okay, wow, we did that pretty quick. So let me just do a little recap. Gold, like I said, I do see a little bit more upside, but we don't have any bias. It is reading a crown pattern on the hourly. I want to see if price pushes up higher first. So if price pushes up higher first and then comes back into value, we're going to look for that short opportunity. Now if price drops first and then traps bears at this crown neck, which is at the 1797 key support level, and then comes back into value, we're going to look for that buy opportunity to that 1825 resistance. That's gold. Euro USD, like I said, it did come back into this U value area, so we're going to look for how price reacts to this 1.18455 zone. So I want to see, you know, maybe a bear trap set up on a 15-minute chart for that buy opportunity up until I think overall we're going to push back to these highs, this 1.19750 high, which is about right here on the hourly chart. So we'll probably trap bulls on one of these trend lines. So, you know, we're going to wait for the bear trap to set up over there for the buy opportunity. Okay, that's Euro USD. GBP JPY. Friday's rally was a little strange, so we're going to wait for Monday to open up and wait for price action to set up. Like I said, if price rallies first and then traps bulls above this key resistance and then comes back into value, we're going to look for that short opportunity up to like here or something. Now if price drops first, we're going to wait for price action to set up somewhere over here for that buy opportunity back up. That's GBP JPY. GBP USD, similar to Euro USD, we came back into, you know, that U. These are terms that I've made on my own, so don't try not to quote me on these things. You know, I've created these own terms. So we came back into this U shit. Excuse my language. I think that we want to take buyers liquidity above that 4,000 resistance level. So for that buy opportunity, we need to wait for price action to set up at one of these key levels listed. Now if price just rallies up and doesn't give us an opportunity to enter that buy opportunity, then we're going to wait for that that bull trap to set up above that level, to short back down to these supports. So that's that. Alright guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram.com/ZeroDrawDrew. If you like this video, please smash that like button so it motivates us to continue doing these videos every week. Other than that, have a great day, everyone. Take care.